How to use tasks inside pipelines. TaxDome allows you to automate your pipelines to create tasks automatically as jobs progress, saving you a lot of time. Tasks can be created as standalone tasks or as part of a pipeline. Here, you can see the template for my Review Tax Return task. It includes all the information I want for this task and the assignee. After saving this template, let's open the 1040 Tax Returns pipeline and add a task during the review stage. Let's use the template you saw just a moment ago. Regarding task assignees, you can automatically assign it to the job assignee in this automation. Just turn the toggle on Assign Task to Job Assignee. This will overwrite the task assignee defined in the template. You can make changes to task assignees manually if needed later. Click on Save. And finally, let's head to the Kanban view of this pipeline. From here, we can move a job into the review stage. When the job is moved that way, a new menu slides out where you can see the automations that are about to be triggered once it is moved. From this menu, you can uncheck these automations if you want to. Since we turned on the toggle for assigning to job assignee before, this person automatically gets the job, but you can manually change it to whomever you want. This is extremely useful in cases where one of your team members might be unavailable or overloaded with other tasks. Once you click Move, a task will be created and linked to the job. If you open the job, you can see the task right here. You can also change the assignee and the status at any time from here. Let's mark it as completed. And since this was the last pending element for this job, it will automatically move into the next stage. Unless you manually unlink it yourself, the task will still be visible and linked inside a job.